Hello dear student. The aim of today's experiment is to study the effect of concentration on the rate of reaction between sodium thiosulfate and hydrochloric acid. For this you require stopwatch, measuring cylinder, 4 conical flasks, label them as A, B, C and D. And in solution or chemicals you will require 0.1 molar sodium thiosulfate and 1 molar HCl solution and water. Take 4 conical flasks and with the help of measuring cylinder, first label them as A, B, C and D respectively, and using 50 ml measuring cylinder at 20, 30, 40 and 50 ml 0.1 molar sodium thiosulfate in flask A, B, C and D respectively. Yes. After this, using measuring cylinder add 28, 18, 8 and 0 ml distilled water to flask A, B, C and D respectively. First complete the addition of sodium thiosulfate and then addition of water. Okay. In D there is no water, you have to add no water. Okay. After this, with the help of 10 ml measuring cylinder, add 2 ml 0.1 molar HCl solution in flask A. Okay. These are 4 flasks containing sodium thiosulfate and distilled water. Yes. Now take flask A. Yes, add 1 molar 2 ml HCl solution in flask A, shake well and keep the flask on paper having cross mark and view the cross mark through the reaction mixture on the top. Okay. When the cross mark on the paper just become invisible, stop the stopwatch and note down the time taken in second. Yes. Repeat the procedure with B. Add 2 ml 1 molar HCl solution, shake the flask well and keep the conical flask on the paper having same cross mark. Okay. Start the stopwatch immediately. Okay. And when the cross mark on the paper just become invisible, stop the stopwatch and record the time taken in second. Yes, here you can see the mark become invisible. Yes, stop the watch. Yes, repeat this same thing with C and D. And record the time taken for cross mark to become invisible. The time you will write in second. This is flask D, 2 ml HCl. Shake the flask well and keep the flask on paper having cross mark. Okay. Start the stopwatch and look for the time to cross mark become invisible and note down the time taken. Stop the stopwatch. Okay. Now this reading, the time which is recorded, you have to write in the observation table and calculate the T inverse of it, and after the calculation plot the graph of T inverse on x-axis against concentration of sodium thiosulfate on y-axis. Thank you.